Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the best car vacuum cordless in this year.
As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We always keep the description up to date with information we might not get a chance to mention in this video. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated pricing, be sure to check out that description.
VacLife Handheld Vacuum Car Vacuum Cleaner. VacLife manufactures this cordless vacuum cleaner. It's a cordless vacuum cleaner. It features HEPA filtration. It ensures hassle-free movement to ensure satisfactory cleaning. It guarantees deep cleaning. This design allows corner cleaning and dark cleaning. You just gotta turn on the LED light to clean the space that you want to. It's the ideal choice for your family. It provides excellent support service. It's very popular because of its lightweight, battery life, suction power, easy cleaning capacity, etc. Himox Mini Vacuum 8000 PA Vacuum Cleaner. It's an ideal vacuum cleaner for carpets and hard floors. Himox makes it. This cordless vacuum cleaner is handheld. Its lightweight feature makes it easy to clean your place. It comes with 2 times more suction capacity. It can be charged easily and quickly. After charging, it can run for a longer time. It comes with an attractive warranty package and customer support. Its suction capacity is very high. Its HEPA filter is washable. It generates sound at a minimal level. Its dust bin capacity is 120 ml.
Halfway of our list, we bring you more products whether you need the best of the best or just the most affordable option. We'll relay all these items for you. Stay tuned.